what's up? Cito here. I just blasted through the storm on the way up to Essex with a sailboat in tow. In Essex it's clear, but it still looks, oh, there's still big lightning coming down over Old Lyme and down by the mouth of the river, looks like. Oh, really? Yeah, Eric actually took the one going to Deep River, and I was going. I'm done in Essex. I'm downbound. I am. I'm still out here, but I should be back in a little luck here. I'll be home in 10 minutes, 15. What did they hit? The radio tower got hit? The police radio? Yeah, no, I'm looking into the south here. I'm southbound, and there's all kind of lightning everywhere. All right, I'll be standing by. It should be clear of the dock here in 10 or 15. All right, bye.